Today I'm going to give you a very brief overview of Amazon EC2 and walk you through its documentation. Amazon EC2, or full name is Amazon Elastic Compute, is one of the core services provided by AWS. It lets you create and manage virtual servers in the cloud, basically giving you computing power on demand without needing to own or maintain physical hardware. Now I am at the EC2 documentation page, which helps new users and experienced ones to understand, launch and manage EC2. It features step by step with helpful images provided. Right at the top you can see various useful sections like user guide, instant type and click user guide. This basically is a sort of a brief overview and introduction to how to get started with AWS. And to get started with the user guide, it is divided into sections with helpful images and screenshots attached with detailed steps that basically helps the user get an EC2 instance up and running. You basically launch an instance by choosing a region, you connect to your instance, and then you clean up your instance. But because there are various versions involved, Amazon also after comfort and they do. We'll see that they have provided instructions for Linux and Windows, two more popular structures being used for AWS. This is it for this user guide. Going back to the main page, you will see it as other sections, for example providing and documentation on the different instance types, documentation for entire API and what property and keys it has, the API for the instance connect. And so in short, Amazon EC2 is the foundation of cloud computing on AWS. Whether you're hosting a small personal project or deploying production grade system, EC2 gives you scalable, reliable infrastructure with full control. The documentation is detailed but easy to follow with practical examples and screenshots for every use. You can check it out at docs.aws.com/EC2/. Links is in the description. Thanks for watching.